Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So guys, dito tayo ngayon maglakad-lakad sa promenade. So it's nice in here. Fresh. And there's Daddy Rob. Hi Daddy Rob. Sobrang lamig guys. Kasi it's a -9 today. Ang lamig, -9. Diba, ang ganda ng langit. Mga tao. Ito yung mga ang ganda dito. It's all green. Not all green.
Dad, I can't wear.
Ang kamay ko malamig. Oh, napaka-fresh maglakad-lakad sa mga ganitong. Keep walking. Too slow daw ako. Ay, Diyos ko. Nagmamadali na nga ako eh. Minamadali pa ako. Which? It says in there. Careful, look. Oh my God, it's so scary in here. I don't wanna. No, come on, walk this way, Brody. Told you already. What gardens is this? Festival Garden. It says this.
Just put your phone down and just enjoy the walk.
I am in. I get tired now. It's like we are going to Stairway to Heaven. Doon tayo galing mo sa baba. So, bali paakyat ito, guys. Parang it's like a stairway to heaven. Come on. Yung anak ko, nagre-reklamo na kasi tired na daw yung paa niya. Puro lang tayo mga kahoy actually, guys. That's what we love. Nature. Kasi lagi na lang tayo sa bahay. Sarap din maglakad-lakad, fresh air.
Where's the playground?
Later, anak ko.
That was not me.
Who else did?
You.
Buti na lang hindi maputik. Anak ko talaga tamad yan maglakad. Kahanap siya ng playground. Walang playground dito. Kung saan-saan kami nakarating na. Ay. Just keep walking, Butch. Daddy Rob naman kung saan yung mga pinakamataas doon pa talaga gusto niya maglakad. Ang hirap kaya maglakad pataas. Ayan o. Talaga naman. So yun. Doon sa baba. Actually, it's quite nice down there. Ah, there's a Chinese thing there. Like in the middle there. What, Rob? Dad, let's go that way. There's a Chinese thing there. Like a Chinese temple. Ano kasi dito, wala namang makikita dyan. It's all kahoy, that's it. Madami din naglalakad, guys. Kailang watak-watak ba? Ayan, ay main road na pala yan dyan. Ano kung saan tayo nagsusuot, oy. Main road na doon guys, o sa baba. Yan. Yung anak ko napapagod na hala, takbo. Takbo naman, takbo. Paano hindi mapapagod yan? Tapos maya-maya magpapakarga. Oh my God. It's nice. Parang matagal na kami dito nakatira, ba hindi pa kami first time namin maglakad dito, which is like 20 minutes away from us, from our house. This one 20 minutes away drive. No pain, no gain. Tingnan nyo naman ang snow guys. Ito sarap. You can't, frozen ang pan guys. Oh, frozen siya. Frozen na tubig. You can't go there, love. Come on, careful, mahulog ka ha. What? Brody. You can't go there. I know there's a pathway. Come on. He wants to go down there. You can't go down there, otherwise malulubog ka dyan, bala ka dyan. Frozen din ang putik. Wow, ang ganda oh. Ang linis na mga kahoy. Wow, it's really nice. What type of trees are these? Witchcraft. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like, it looks like a spider.
Go down to the woods today. Watch out for the witches.
Oh. Parang inikot na naman natin ito. Grabe oh, doon oh. Parang puro talaga snow. Maraming naglalakad dito. Pamilya, may mga pets. Have we been here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And then shall we go down the
Basically.
yeah.
Yeah.
Shall we go down that side?
What we'll do is we'll go down and we go down that side around
Yeah.
there.
That you know.
That's near the car. What?
Marami ng tao. Talaga ang ganda kasi nga puro puti, parang nasa langit ka lang dito. Kasi puro puti siya. Britannia Inn. Festival Gardens. Love, you know that I've seen the restaurant that you can eat is Britannia Inn. It's Britannia Inn that side. And I said it's a restaurant that like overlooking view. A sea view, I mean. Tingnan nyo guys, so looks like we are in heaven.
Looks like we're in heaven.
Yeah, because it's all white, isn't it? Yeah. Were you going boat? Oh yeah, love, it's under there. Bro, come on. I know, yeah. But you can go down. Come on, let's go, baby. Frozen, oh, frozen yung ano. Woodland trails. Diba? It's like, it's a dojo.
It's in these
That's what I
dojo.
see.
It is,
I
isn't it?
see.
It's a destroyed dojo.
Derelict dojo.
Hey, look.
Grabe, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, parang, ano siya. Ang ganda pala dito, oh. Pwedeng ay, actually, there's water down there. Bro, this way, love. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda, as in. Where is he? Call it Festival Garden. Ang ganda, as in. Doon tayo kanina ang galing. See, dito, tubig ito. Tubig to na frozen. Ang ganda. Tubig ito sa ilalim. Nice. Ang ganda pala dito, oh. Ang ganda pala dito. Pwede kang umupo. Mag-picnic. Maganda pala mag-picnic dito. So frozen siya.
Should I smash?
No, let these people walk on it first and then walk behind them.
Brody. Oh, see? Look, Brody, oh.
Everyone else.
Oh my God. See? Oh my God.
It's 10 foot deep there, you know, Brody.
Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. May tubig sa ilalim. Ay! Pag na-break yan, oh, tubig yan. Yan. Ito, oh. Tubig sa ilalim, oh. Tubig. Pag nag-crack yan, basa tayo.
Mommy.
That's thin there.
Is it?
Yeah.
So guys, yan oh, manipis dyan. Pag na-crack din, lunod tayo dito sa tubig. Landed.
Don't, son. Come on, son, we're gonna be okay. Dirty knees.
Come on. Yeah. Nanak, follow mommy. They don't love you like love you, wait. Ayan yung view. Ang ganda. Super. Yan ang tubig. Ang tubig, guys. Oh. Mercy River. Come on, babe. Ha? Bagal mo, anak. Grabe man itong adventure natin. Snow adventure. Sobrang lamig na. Bangin. It's a bangin. Bangin siya, guys. Pero ang ganda. Yan, tubig yan doon. Dagat siya. Dad? Oh, actually, yeah. You know the footpath there before? There's a car park there.
I don't remember this.
But there's no way out there, I think. I'm not sure. I think there is. I think there is, yeah. Oops. Ganda talaga ng view. Ganda. So guys, halos naikot na namin ang Festival Gardens guys. So uwi na tayo kasi di ko na kayang lamig. Sobrang lamig na. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye!